Hey everybody, it's Stuart and Macadam here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how I put together a Facebook ads campaign for a rafting business. Just before we get started with today's video, please don't forget to smash that like button down below and consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. And with that said, let's get started. So, as you can see here, I've created a river rafting campaign, and I'm going to take you first across to the Facebook page, which was created first, so you can get an idea of what the page looks like and some of the information that is being included. So, if we scroll down and just go down to some of the older posts, these are some of the campaigns that we've been running. And as you can see here, there's a video that's been set up and created which highlights very quickly what the campaign is all about, and very short, sharp, sweet messages that highlight what people can expect when they go onto the Orange River and do the trips. And we included a little bit of music, which I won't include in today's video, but as you can see here, just from the video here, there's a couple of like snippets and stuff of what people can expect. There's one people going down the rapids and having a bit of fun, and also experiencing just how beautiful it is to be on the river itself. And that's something that we really wanted to highlight as part of this campaign. So as you can see right here, there's the book link button, which is down below there. And we've also got the send message button as the main option, because coming across here, we realize that the best way to determine whether or not someone is a quality lead or not a quality lead is to get them to reach out to the business itself and get more information about the person and their ability to pay for the rafting trip, and also getting their personal information such as email address and phone number. So as you can see here, the cost per lead is absolutely excellent. It's only $1.14 per messaging conversation started, and when you consider that the price that someone would pay would be about $500, that's a really cost-effective source of generating leads. So let me just walk you in the campaign there. Obviously, messaging conversation is the objective. I'm just going to show you some of the targeting metrics that we've got in there as well. There you can see here, 6.8 to 7.2 million reach. We've gone after particular areas in South Africa, those areas that are more middle to upper class, people that have particular interests in outdoor activities like paddling and rafting and adventure hobbies. And as you can see here, we have got a couple of different ad copy variations. Surfs up on the Orange River. We've got one option which is talking more about the never stop exploring angle. We have one too that is treat yourself to a rafting escapade. And as you can see here, that has been one of the most successful ones, which I'm just going to pull up again here. Treat yourself to a rafting escapade on the Orange River. Enjoy stunning rapids, evening chills, and unforgettable sleeps under the stars. So it's really selling the experience side of it. And as you can see here, engagement is really good for the social proofs as well. A lot of people have shared it and liked it. And we also have another option here that started to gain a bit of traction before we paused it, which was the first one right here. Surfs up on the Orange River. Isn't it about time you conquered this mighty Orange River? You know you want to. So it's kind of, trying to attract their attention by sort of saying, we know that this is something that it looks pretty cool, and that's why we included the video and chose the video to run in the ads over a still image, because still images can't highlight the true experience in the same way videos can. So that's why we went for it. And the reason why we decided to go for 4 different ad creatives is because we wanted to see what works best. We wanted to see what people are responding to, and we wanted to make sure that it was consistent across the board. And as you can see here, the best response came from ad number 2, and that is why it isn't so important, no matter what industry you're in, to have a couple of different ad copy campaigns. Overall, we can see here that the reason why it was so successful is because we're illustrating everything that needs to be on there. the beauty of what people can experience being on the Orange River. We can also see as well that if we go to the About section here, we can see that there's enough general interest here to show that it's not just some business, some shelf Facebook page. There are actually posts, and some of the ads that we were running on the page were actually set up as videos and set up as posts first, so that we actually had a proper campaign running. So if you're running a rafting business, what I would suggest you do, if we come back over to the test ad account here, is click on create for campaign. Look to go for lead generation, but preferably you want to start with messages first. You want to set up your test campaign for rafting, and you want to go um, local audience that is nearby you in surrounding areas, and we'll just go number one there for now. And that's then going to take you to all of the things that you need to do for the setup and the budgeting. You can welcome to watch some of my videos elsewhere. I explain this in more detail, but we're going to change this daily budget to let's just say $10 a day. We're going to go all the way down to Rafting South Africa. Nice noticeable name as well. And you want to go for targeting that is within your local area, and you want to make sure people are living there. So for this example, we're going to go, let's just say Sandton in Johannesburg, and maybe Camps Bay down in Cape Town. So, two areas that are reasonably affluent. Let's just say this is our target market, and make sure we go after people that do have a bit of an interest in what we are selling. So, let's just say rafting and adventure kayaking right over here. Well, this isn't coming up, so let's just go kayaking. There we go. And then that way you've got a starting point here. And for this one here, because we've already created the post on the page, we just want to go down to use existing post. And then we just need to go and find the post that we have put up. So one of these ones, as we can see here, this one has been by far the most successful one. So we're just going to set that up. We're going to go and make sure that website pixels on and turned on. And obviously, because this is a test account, their one hasn't been set up just yet, but that doesn't matter for Messenger campaigns. So just got to have that set up. But if you are business with a website, make sure you've got the website events turned on. And after that, we're just going to do a quick double check of everything, going to make sure that it's all set up properly. And once you've done that, you can just select next, and then you can just go down to the publish button once that's been done. So that is the most simple and effective way to succeed with creating more leads and interest for your business. If you are in the river rafting industry, whitewater rafting industry, kayaking industry, where you're selling an experience for people. So I hope you found this useful and got some value out of it. If you did, please consider subscribing down below, and don't forget to smash that like button as well. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.